I'll just about make a duck. Huh? Wasn't sure if it was going to quite go that way, but it's a nice one. Oh, I might keep a couple of nice big pieces off the bottom. I'll have to bring the big sleigh back and trim them into 8-foot. Or see what it looks like here. It kind of bells a little bit at the bottom, but there are some nice pieces, I think, for my other summer project. I was going to keep this tree, but it's not. See, look at this bark, or the sawdust here is very orange. Very orange. It's a really nice big tree, but this is what happens. They die and then they stand for a few too many years. Yeah, you can see. It looks very soft. There's some good wood around the edge, and it'll burn, but it's not something I want to pile up and keep for a year or two. Oh, I take some of these. I fell it, so I'll take them, and they burn good in my shop stove. It just this tree was on the verge of just another good wind, and it was going to fall over. And the bottom was just it starts to rot, and then it's just too much. It don't last. You can see there, you know, some good wood, but Yeah, it burns. You don't get quite as many BTUs out of it, but it's okay. There's plenty more. Yeah. Oh, I really like that tree, but it's leaning the wrong way. I like it to go down my trail. And, oh, I'm not making a swing or hammock, you know, just something that I learned when I was young age already, that get another tree if you got a long rope or whatever, and I'm going to put that tree down hopefully where we want it. Well, I have a nice little trail there, and I mean, it'd be nice to put it right beside the trail or on the trail, but we get a little noisy here. So, see which tree moves. Get her yank the little one out of the ground. Yeah, we'll try that. It's tight. Didn't go quite where I wanted it. Got a big curl in the top. I was a little worried about it because it had a big twist. It's got a real big bow there, but it just about took the tree. The camera was on here. But, oh well, it's down. I'll take some pieces out or make a trail beside it somehow. Oh, it's just a little tension. If I could have got up the tree a little higher, but I don't pack a ladder around with me. Maybe I should. I don't like to make wood cutting too hard. Oh, we got tracks. Bigfoot maybe? No. They like the sawdust, I guess. When they hear the noise, there's wolves in the area. So we got a big old moose track there. There's a small one, so there's a cow and a calf. And just straight through. That tree I just fell is right there. Big one I fell is right there yesterday, day before. Yeah, they're just wandering. They hear the chainsaw and they know that wolves are probably scared of that, so they can feel a little bit braver.